Hi, and welcome to my video on how to install Canvas Workspace onto your Windows PC. First, you're going to type in the web address canvasworkspace.brother.com. Once you go to the website, you will see a black download button. Click on that. A new tab will open up with a list of scan and cut models. Scroll down to your model and click on the blue link. It will take you to a screen where you can select if you're on Windows or Mac. Today we're on Windows. We're running Windows 11, but this hasn't updated yet, so we're going to select Windows 10. Don't worry, it'll work just fine. Click OK. Here you can see the release date of the most recent update to Canvas Workspace. We're going to scroll through the end user license agreement all the way to the bottom and then click on Agree to the EULA and download. There are instructions on how to download with screenshots, but here we are today to show you this, so you don't have to look there if you don't want to. A window will pop up with the file name. I select desktop as my destination so that I can clean up the download file later. Click Save. Down here in the left corner, there's a little brothercanvas.exe button that we're going to click. It's going to open the installation file. And yes, we want to allow access to this, so select yes. Another pop-up will come to show you what's happening. You're just going to click on Next, select where you want the application to install, Next, Next, Install. It just takes a few seconds for it to install. And once finished, it will confirm the installation is complete. You then have the option to launch Canvas Workspace, which is what we want to do, so select that and click Finish. Canvas will then open, and then you'll have a little pop-up showing the most recent updates and what they've done. Click OK. If you already have a login ID, you can enter it here. If you haven't created a new account, you can do that by clicking here. All of this is information on how to register. You just need to scroll to the bottom, pass the terms and conditions, click I agree, and register. Here you can create a login ID, password, enter your email address, select your country, enter your birth date, and gender is optional. Then you'll click Next. There may be one more screen after this. I already have an account, so now I'm going to go back to the login screen. Enter your login ID. And click Login. Canvas will open and a pop-up window will come up showing all the current Canvas projects and pattern collections. They are sorted in a seasonal order, so as you can see, we have Christmas at the top, fall preceding it, since we're kind of past that now. You can just click out of that, maximize your screen. Here's your working space, and voila, Canvas Workspace is installed onto your PC. Thanks for watching.